You are thinking like an employee right now, while you watch this, while you plan your week, while you check your bank account and calculate what is left. That calculation is the single biggest reason you are not rich. Not your income, not your industry, the operating system running between your ears. You have an employee operating system installed. It was put there before you had a choice, and it runs every financial decision you make on autopilot. Trading your time for money, waiting for permission to earn more, measuring your worth in hours. In 2026, that operating system is a wealth death sentence. You are about to see exactly why and how to replace it. This is not about quitting your job. Let me be clear about that right now. This is not about starting a business or becoming an entrepreneur. This is about something deeper. The mental wiring underneath every financial decision you make. Because you can start a business and still think like an employee. You can earn 6 figures and still think like an employee. You can even own a company and still think like an employee. The operating system is not about what you do. It is about how you process money, time, risk, and opportunity. And right now, your processor is capped. Every dollar you earn runs through a filter that was designed for survival, not wealth. Now here is where this gets uncomfortable, because what you are about to hear will challenge the way you see yourself, not your job, yourself. Stay with me, because once you see the operating system, you cannot unsee it. And the moment you see it is the moment you can finally replace it. The employee operating system has 5 core programs. You did not choose any of them. They were installed by your school system, your parents, and every boss you ever worked for. Program 1, time equals money. This is the deepest program, the foundation everything else runs on. You were taught that an hour of your time has a dollar value. 40 hours equals a paycheck. More hours equals more money. Fewer hours equals less money. This single belief creates a hard ceiling on your entire financial life. Because time is finite. You have 24 hours. No raise, no promotion, no overtime will ever break that ceiling. You are capped by the clock. And you do not even question it because the program has been running since you were 5 years old. Think about your last raise. You felt good about it, a rush of pride. You told someone about it, but what actually changed? You traded the same hours for slightly more money. The structure did not change. The ceiling did not move. You just got a more comfortable cage. Now, if this is already shifting something inside you, you need to go deeper. The VYBO community on School gives you lifetime access to the Wealth Blueprint, plus every VYBO course and resource ever created. This is not a monthly subscription. It is a one-time decision that rewires how you build wealth permanently. Join the community at school.com/VYBO. Link is in the description. Program 2, wait for permission. You raise your hand before you speak. You ask your manager before you act. You wait for an annual review to know your value. This program is devastating because wealth does not wait for permission. Opportunity does not schedule a meeting. The person who hesitates while waiting for approval watches the person who moves first collect the reward every single time. Think about the last opportunity you let pass. A project you could have started, an investment you could have made, a skill you could have monetized. You saw it clearly. You knew it was right, but you waited. You wanted to feel ready first. And by the time you felt ready, the window closed. That was not bad timing. That was the permission program running exactly as designed. Program 3 trades security for freedom. This is the program that keeps you locked in. You were taught that a steady paycheck is safe, that benefits and a retirement plan are the goal. That predictability is more valuable than potential. But here is what that program actually does. It trains you to fear the thing you need most, risk. Not reckless risk, calculated risk. The kind of risk where you invest your time into something that compounds instead of something that resets every Monday morning. Every Monday, your paycheck resets to zero. Think about that. You worked all last week and the counter went back to zero. You start over every single week. That is not security. That is a treadmill with a salary attached. Money should flow toward you like a current. Instead, you are hauling buckets. One bucket at a time. Carry it to Friday. Dump it out. Walk back to Monday. Pick up another bucket. That is the employee security program in action. It keeps you moving but never building. And every year you stay on this treadmill, the gap between you and financial freedom gets wider, not smaller, wider, because inflation is eating your savings, because your skills are depreciating without leverage, because the clock does not care about your intentions. The clock only counts what you built. Program 4, measure value in hours. You measure your contribution by time spent. Show up early, stay late, look busy, be present. But wealth does not care how many hours you logged. Wealth cares about one thing. Did you create value that exists without your presence? You could work 12 hours today and create zero lasting value. You could also work 2 hours and build something that generates income for the next 5 years. The employee OS cannot tell the difference. It only counts hours. And that counting system is why you feel exhausted and underpaid at the same time. Program 5, cap your own ambition. This one is quiet. It runs in the background where you cannot hear it. You have a number in your head, a salary range you consider realistic, and everything above that range feels like fantasy. Not because it is impossible, because the employee OS labeled it unrealistic, and you accepted the label. When someone around you earns 10 times what you earn, your first instinct is not curiosity, it is suspicion. What do they know that I do not? Are they actually that good? That reaction is the ambition cap running in real time. It protects the operating system by discrediting evidence that contradicts it. So where did this operating system come from? It did not install itself. The school system wrote the first version. Sit in rows, wait for instructions, complete tasks on schedule, get graded on compliance, raise your hand before you contribute. That is not education. That is employee training disguised as education. And by the time you graduated, the operating system was so deep, you mistook it for your personality. Then the workplace reinforced it. Show up on time. Do what you are told. Wait for your annual review. Accept the number they give you. Do not question the structure. And the cruelest part? They gave you just enough comfort to stop you from questioning the deal. A stable paycheck, health insurance, 2 weeks of vacation. Just enough to make the cage feel like a room. Not enough to actually be free, but enough to stop you from noticing the lock on the door. Year after year, the programs got stronger, until asking for permission felt natural, until trading time for money felt normal, until capping your ambition felt responsible. And now you are sitting here, wondering why you feel stuck. You are not stuck. You are running outdated software on hardware that is capable of so much more. Stop for a moment. We have identified the 5 programs running your financial life. Time equals money. Wait for permission. Trade security for freedom. Measure value in hours. Cap your ambition. Now we are going to uninstall them, one by one. This next section is the replacement system. Pay close attention. The Wealth Builder operating system runs on 5 completely different programs. Every one of them replaces an employee program directly. Replacement 1, outcomes over hours. Stop measuring your day by time spent. Start measuring it by value created. Ask yourself one question at the end of every day. Did I create anything today that generates value without me tomorrow? If the answer is no, you ran the employee OS all day. If the answer is yes, even once, you ran the Wealth Builder OS. This is not about working fewer hours. It is about making your hours compound instead of evaporate. An employee's hour disappears at 5 o'clock. A wealth builder's hour echoes for years. That is the difference. Picture two people. Both wake up at 6 in the morning. Both work until 8 at night. Same effort, same dedication, same exhaustion at the end of the day. Person 1 spent 14 hours answering emails, attending meetings, completing tasks on a list they did not write. And by tomorrow, every one of those hours is gone, consumed, evaporated. Person 2 spent the same 14 hours building an automated system that delivers value to 1,000 people. By tomorrow, those hours are still working. By next month, those hours have multiplied. By next year, those hours are generating income, while person 2 sleeps. Same clock, same effort. One version burns, the other compounds. Replacement 2, move without permission. Stop waiting for someone to tell you what you are worth. Stop waiting for approval before you take a financial risk. Stop asking for a raise and start creating reasons why your value is undeniable. You have two choices: wait to be chosen, or choose yourself. Every wealthy person you admire chose themselves before anyone else did. Right now, there is an opportunity in front of you that you have been overthinking. You have been analyzing it, weighing the risks, waiting for the right moment. The right moment was 3 weeks ago. The second best moment is right now. Move. You can feel the resistance right now. That tightness in your chest, that voice saying, just wait a little longer. That is not wisdom. That is the permission program trying to stay alive. It disguises itself as caution, as patience, as being responsible. But caution that never converts to action is just fear wearing a suit. And fear has never built wealth. Replacement. 3. Build equity over safety. Every hour you work should leave something behind. A system, a skill, a relationship, an asset. Something that appreciates while you sleep. Right now, you are burning hours for paychecks. You need to start converting hours into equity. Same 24 hours. Completely different output. When you write an email at your job, it is gone after it is read. When you build a system that sends emails automatically to 1,000 people, that is equity. Same skill. One version evaporates, the other compounds. You get to choose which version you build every single day. And right now, you are choosing the version that vanishes. Not because you lack talent, because the employee OS only shows you one option. The Wealth Builder OS shows you both and asks you to pick. Replacement 4, measure impact over presence. Stop proving your value by being visible. Start proving it by being irreplaceable. Not irreplaceable because you do everything yourself. Irreplaceable because you built something nobody else can replicate. Ask yourself right now, are you proving your value by showing up or by what you leave behind when you walk away? Because one earns you a paycheck, the other earns you freedom. That single shift changes your earning ceiling permanently because presence has a cap. Impact does not. Replacement 5, expand your identity ceiling. This is the most important upgrade. Remember that salary range in your head? The one that feels realistic? It is time to delete it. Your financial ceiling is not set by the market. It is set by your identity. Whatever you believe you deserve, that is exactly what you will allow yourself to earn. Not a dollar more. Your thermostat is set to a temperature you chose unconsciously years ago. And it has been regulating your financial life ever since. You have seen this happen. You get a windfall, a bonus, an unexpected payment, And within weeks, the money is gone. Not because you spent recklessly, because your thermostat activated. It detected a temperature above your set point, and it cooled you right back down. Unconsciously, automatically, without you even realizing it. That is why raises do not make you rich. That is why bonuses disappear. The thermostat always wins until you change the setting. And here is what makes this urgent. Every year you operate with the wrong thermostat setting is a year of compounding you will never get back. The person who resets their identity ceiling at 30 arrives at 40 in a completely different financial universe than the person who waits. Same person, same abilities, different setting, different life. Expand the identity. The income follows, always. So here is how you run this new operating system starting today. Not next week, today. Every morning, before you check your phone, ask yourself 3 questions. Question 1. What will I create today that exists without me tomorrow? If you cannot answer that, your day is already running on the employee OS. Rewrite the plan before you start. Question 2. Where am I waiting for permission that I do not need? And name it. Then act on it before noon. Permission is a program. Delete it. Question 3. Am I building equity or burning hours? Be honest. Because the answer to that question every single morning is the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. 3 questions every morning. That is your daily reboot. The old operating system will try to reload. It will happen the moment you open your inbox, the moment your boss sends you a task list, the moment you sit down at the same desk in the same chair and start running the same routine. You will feel the pull, that comfortable gravity, the employee OS whispering, just do what you are told today. Handle the emails, get through the meetings, save the real thinking for later. Later never comes. Later is the employee OS buying itself another day, another week, another year of your life running on someone else's code. Do not let it reload. Run your 3 questions first. Before the inbox, before the routine, before the old system has a chance to boot up. Comfort is the password that locks the employee OS back into place. And every morning, you either type that password or you delete it. Here is what you now see. You have been running an operating system designed to make you a productive employee, not a wealthy person. Time equals money. Wait for permission. Trade security for freedom. Measure value in hours. Cap your ambition. 5 programs, none of them yours. The Wealth Builder OS runs on different code. Outcomes over hours. Move without permission. Build equity over safety. Measure impact over presence. Expand your identity ceiling. Same 24 hours, completely different financial future. Your move. Run the 3 questions tomorrow morning. Start the reboot. And if you want to convert your current skills into income that compounds without your time, that is exactly what we break down next.